Okay, here's my GoPro Hero 10 Black with the media mod on it. Can you see it? So this is what it does when the media mod is on. When I try to power it powers on, powers off. Powers on, powers off. It's been doing this for a good 5 or 10 minutes now because I've been busy trying to set this up. Okay, so that's what happens when the media mod's on. And I have another media mod, so I can't even power it off. It just doesn't know what it's doing. It just cycles on and off, on and off. So I'll take it out. Let's try another media mod for fun. Plug it in. Okay, powered on. Powered off. Powered on. Powered off. And it's just going to keep doing this over and over. Okay, so it's not the media mod's fault. So now, I don't have the door on it. GoPro, powered on without the media mod, it seems to work completely normal. It turned on, it powered up, right? And then if I take a USB without the media mod and plug it in, and plug it into a computer, USB connected, and Explorer popped up to go through the files, you know, to go through the GoPro. Folder is empty. That's really weird because there's stuff on that. Oh no, there's not. Okay. So it seems to work fine except for the media mod for some reason. And then I have a Hero 9. It works fine with and without. It just started doing this. I've only had this since December, so it's well under warranty. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect it from here. Works fine except with the media mod. I think that's all you need. Thank you.